Crab Circle operations turn a new leaf as the popular eatery reopens to the fanfare of many, but no Alice in sight. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. After seeing the reopening of Crab Circle, a saddened Alice is uncertain of what the future holds for her. Alice sold at Crab Circle for roughly 40 years, but her unsanitary actions that were caught on video led to a temporary closure of the location. She visited the location on Thursday as vendors assumed selling and told reporters that she wanted to be trained and hoping to become certified and also be allowed to sell back there one day. Despite weeks of public skepticism about whether Jamaicans would return to support vendors at Crab Circle, the reopening of the popular Kingston food joint on Thursday saw a sizable turnout of patrons indulging in the offerings. Local Government and Rural Development Minister Desmond Mackenzie has issued a stern warning to vendors at the just opened Crab Circle at Hero Circle in St. Andrew that there should be no repeat of what caused the closure of the popular food spot. Mackenzie was speaking at the reopening of Crab Circle on Thursday. The popular food spot now has bathroom facilities and vendors' stalls have been equipped with washing stations.
I have one single message to deliver. Make sure we don't have a repeat of what took place a couple months ago. I want to emphasize that and to also give credit to the vendors. Because when we met with them, and I have a special interest because I am the Member of Parliament for the area, and 99% of the vendors come from West Kingston. So outside of being the minister, I have a particular interest in their welfare. And we have met with them, and I want to publicly commend the mayor. I want to give him a big hand because I hear persons, although talking about what has taken place, is criticizing and say we wait until something happens before we put in the measures. That is not true. We started to improve this area many years ago. And I heard the Archers Ed spoke about when President Obama came here. What they did when President Obama came here was not to improve the facility, but to destroy the stars and run away the vendors. And we opposed it vigorously. While we welcome criticism, and it is only natural, the vendors have a personal responsibility to give to the public. They must demonstrate that this second chance is an opportunity for them to make it work. The mayor and the KSMAC must be commended. And for the vendors, I want to give them the assurance that they will have my support once they are doing the right things all the time, not just some of the time, every time, because it is important. And public confidence will only grow when the public believes that the vendors are serious to maintain what have been started here at Crab Circle. And to all those persons who have come on board and have made this possible, I want to say a big thank you and looking forward to more positive vibes from Crab Circle. Thank you.
Mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, says that activities at Crab Circle, a popular food spot at Hero Circle in Kingston, will be monitored to ensure that the best practices are being followed as vendors provide their services to the public.
Jamaicans are Christian at heart. They believe that when you fall and you drop, you get up. and you rise and you push on. That's the Christian worldview viewpoint. Christians say, when you humble down and you drop down and they lift you down, you get up and you push on and you continue on the path of success. That is what is happening here at Crab Circle. We have gotten up and we are pushing up. And the Jamaican people, they are praying, they are hoping, they are trusting that Crab Circle will return to success, but beyond its normal success, to prosperity. And I see my fellow PNP councillors here and progress. So, with that I say, thank you very much for the turnout. Thank you for the support, and the vendors really appreciate it. And as Mayor and Chairman of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, I salute you for being here. And I express our love and appreciation to you all. Thanks very much.
Arvid Plummer and the team, Ray and nephew, family, friends from the Crab Circle, other distinguished guests, a pleasant good evening. Early October, an unfortunate occurrence took place, which would have suggested that there is room for more improvement. The Minister and his team, namely the Kingston and St. Andrew Health Department and the National Training Program Division Leap Center, would have concluded that training and competency is needed. Hence, October the 17th, 2023 would have marked the start of our training, which would have concluded on October the 21st, 2023. This would have meant we met the World Health Standard. Thanks to the Minister and his team, as listed earlier, the journey was a few days of knowledge, which will better equip us to serve the world more professionally. So from the team of Crab Circle, we are sincerely grateful, and to the wider public, we have made it. We are ready to move forward professionally with our service. Thank you.
Prior to the reopening of the facility, the mayor also took the time to reflect on what happened and also stated that Alice will not be granted a place back at Hero Circle. Social media commentator and vlogger L.A. Lewis was also on hand at the reopening of Crab Circle on Thursday. He took the time to reflect on what transpired and also to greet.
Alright, people, just see the boss himself. More handsome one. Alright.
Why, as you grow older, you don't worry about who is handsome.
Yeah.
Who is not.
Why you want to get
When you're young, you worry about it.
I guess what down there, you see the score.
Yeah.
So, you want down there. We just come, give to a boss lady, grab foot. Yes, sir. Tell them to go buy some soup. So, Mayor, we love all your response first. Yes, and when I said this, it was a FedEx or a DHL or a microwave response. Quick. You understand? Because a lot of people was worried and they said, why the crab ground gone? And I said, people, listen to me. They're going to link Desmond Mackenzie. But I said, no. Look at the boss and run things now. So, we just make two call and I'm here to say, you're already there on it.
Yeah.
Just see people, that's why I said, we never bother. Yeah, that's what's going to fund it, you know. But the boss having a lot of people.
It's not too late.
Not only
We still need more development.
Alright, you know. Your brother, him have a PR, so link him and him tell you what the money spent. 7! Mayor, give him a 7. Oh, hold on, baby. Mayor, give him a 7. 7! That's right, 7. 5! 7! Alright. This is Kingston so far greatest mayor. And people know say anything is 7-star general car. But you know people can't buy me out. The man of people have this place clean, it make the people feel good, and different from that, you can't see where the money you spend in the town once this month is around. So people, you know, say right now, I'm the emperor now. So you're gonna be mayor until you feel like you retire. Yeah. All of you. Some people passing away, you know what I'm
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.